Up everyone, and welcome to Gardening with Ben. And today's job down at the allotment is to start tidying up and clearing up around our strawberry bed area and our loganberries and our thornless blackberries, and getting it all tidied and sorted out really, and looking good, ready for next year, as obviously we want decent strawberries down at the allotment. That is the plan. We always love decent strawberries. So let's have a look at what we're doing today. So this is our strawberry patch area. As you can see, it's an absolute mess at the moment. Loads of leaves around from the fruit trees. All the blackberries have grown everywhere, so we need to tie them all back and get them all sorted, get all the nettles out, get the paths back showing again around the sides. And yeah, getting it all looking back in shape, as there's meant to be a load of spring bulbs in this area as well. So we've got it all to tidy up and neaten up, and hopefully get all the bulbs coming back through next year now, and getting it all looking good again. But yeah, the grapevine's growing everywhere, so we've got it all to tie up and tidy up, ready for next year's growth down at the plot. So we have been busy. We've spent a few hours down here, about 3 to 4 hours, and yeah, there's not a lot what we've done, but I'm happy with what we've got done, if you get me. We've got a lot cleared, and we started trimming all the strawberries back and tidying them all, clearing all the leaves, getting all the runners off what had taken root, and yeah, we're going to pot all them up so that we can fill in all the gaps next year down at the allotment, because obviously some die off, some don't survive the winter, and yeah, it's a case of filling gaps in where they've died off, as you can never have enough strawberries on your allotment. Like, you only get them for a short period of time, but the amount that you get is unbelievable. So the more strawberries that I have, the better, because I absolutely love them to bits. And they're so juicy, so tender, and you can't get enough of them. So yeah, let's have a look at what we've got completed today. So this is what it's looking like so far. Obviously we've taken off a lot of the leaves. We've been clearing down the side where everything was growing bad, and we've been trimming off where the old blackberries were and just tidying it all up. There's still a hell of a lot to do with sorting out all this thornless blackberry down the side. The best thing about a thornless blackberry is that you don't get absolutely spiked to death while you're handling it. But yeah, it's one of the best investments that I've ever purchased. I get so many huge blackberries on it. It's absolutely fantastic. I think I only bought the plant for like £5 to £7, and I bought a couple of them, and they've been absolutely wild. They grow really far, perfect for the down the side of the allotment, an absolutely amazing investment. So if you're looking for blackberries, get a thornless blackberry, because it's absolutely amazing. And we've still got loads to do. We've got all the loganberries to sort out down that side. I've got an idea of what I'm going to do down that side, but I'll not tell you yet. I'll keep you held on, but we'll not be doing that until probably sometime next year. But yeah, I've got a big plan for that side of the plot. So yeah, lots happening down here, and things are coming on good. Hopefully we get a lot of strawberries next year down at the plot. And I've also been clearing down the side of the polytunnel as well, where all the spring bulbs are. A lot of them have come to the surface, so we need to get some more compost to cover them over and get them back under, because they seem to like push themselves back up to the top of the soil. But we've got a lot of old compost, what I'm just going to shove on top, just to give it an extra layer and make it a bit more thicker for them all. But yeah, it's all coming along pretty good down here. I'm happy with how things are coming along. Make sure you give us a follow so that you can stay up to date with all our projects down here at the allotment over this winter period. There's no hibernating for me down here this year. We're getting absolutely loads done, so that it looks the best it's ever done next year down at the plot. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.